fully based on some category. In AP we saw in SN formula the same category in GP. So listen, for finding sum in GP we have two formulas. Okay, so you can choose any one and use it. Listen, SN equal to A into 1 minus R power n divided by 1 minus R. This is one formula. You need to convert A into R power n minus 1 by R minus 1. So you are going to use this to any one formula. Okay. Same thing in sum. If last term is given, we are going to use this formula. Sn equal to A minus LR divided by 1 minus R or LR minus A by R minus 1. So you are going to use only these two formulas for finding sum. Listen, exercise 9.5. First question, first one. Find the sum of 20 terms of the series 2 plus 6 plus 18 etc. Listen children, even in AP we saw if we have a word sum and plus we need to use sum formula only. Listen, if it is AP and GP they will mention you. So listen, 20 terms of the series are 2 plus 6 plus 18 etc. So what is A? A is the initial value. So A is equal to 2. Now, how we find the ratio? A2 divided by A1. So 6 by 2 na 3. 18 by 6 also 3. So now we found A and R. We need to apply the sum formula. What is sum formula? Sn equal to A into Rn minus 1 by R minus 1. Now they asked to find 20th term. So 20th term na n equal to 20. So S20 equal to A2 power 3 power 20 minus 1 by 3 minus 1. Listen children, 3 minus 1 and 2 so numerator 2, denominator 2 cancel, you will be getting 320 minus 1. That is the S20 value. After this we can't simplify it, just to leave it up to this. Next, you come to the 7th question. They asked to find n value. The series is x cube, x power 5, x power 7 etc. So listen, what is A? A is the initial value. So A equal to x power 3. Have you found R? A2 divided by A1. So x power 5 divided by x3. 3 cancel, R equal to x squared. Next, what is Sn formula? A into 1 minus R power n divided by 1 minus R. What is A? Now we are going to substitute A and R value in Sn formula. What is A? R cube into 1 minus, what is R? R squared whole power n divided by 1 minus what is R x squared. That's all. Actually this is the answer for Sn because it's a nth term, we don't have n value, so we can't proceed further. So this is the final answer for this. Come to the second question children. Find the sum of, so sum of now we need to use sum formula. Find the sum of first 10 terms of the geometric series. So root 2 plus root 6 plus root 18 etc. So listen, this is the series. In this series we need to find 10th term. Okay. So what is A? A equal to root 2. What is R? A2 divided by R1. A2 in root 6. Our root 6 divided by root 2 equal to root 3. Now we are going to apply this in the formula. Listen, Sn equal to A into 1 minus R power n divided by 1 minus R. We need to find S10 value. S10 equal to, we have A and R value already. So substitute A and R value here. A to root 2 for 1 minus what is R root 3. Our root 3 whole power 10 divided by 1 minus what is R root 3. Simplify it, you will be getting, listen ma, root 2 into 3 power 5. How? Because root term cancel. So 3 power 5 minus 1 divided by root 3 minus 1 now. Upper root 2 into 3 power 5 now 243. But 243 minus 1 now. 243 minus 1 is 242. So 242 root 2 divided by root 3 minus 1 now. 242 root 2 divided by root 3 minus 1. Already in 9th standard we saw in the rationalization how you find this. If denominator we have root value, we need to take conjugate to remove the root. Okay. So here denominator we have root 3 minus 1. So how we take the conjugate? By using root 3 plus 1. So into root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 plus 1 now. So 242 into, do the simplification by yourself now. It's a simple simplification only. In denominator a square minus b square formula. So you will be getting 121 into root 6 plus root 2 divided by 2. Okay, this is the S10 value. Is it clear, children? Okay, next come to the sixth question. Listen, sixth, first one. How many terms of the GP? So what we need to find? How many terms? How many terms now we need to find the n value? 3, 3 square, 3 cube are needed to give the sum 120. So நம்ம இது ஃபைண்ட் பண்றப்ப நமக்கு கிடைக்கிற ஆன்சர் 120 வரணும். அப்ப 120 வரணும்னா அதோட nth place என்னன்னு we need to find. Okay. So listen how you find. 3, 3 square, 3 cube. So what is sum? The sum is given 120. So what is A? A equal to 3. What is R? A2 by A1. So 3 square by 3 are cancelled. We will be getting R equal to 3. Now we have A value and R value. Now we are going to apply in sum formula. So Sn equal to A into R power n minus 1 by R minus 1. So the sum value is given 120. So what is A? A equal to 3. Upper 3 into 3 power n minus 1 divided by 3 minus 1 equal to 120. So 3 into 3 power n minus 1 divided by 3 minus 1 2 equal to 120. So 3 power n minus 1 equal to 120. Here 2 is the division. Take 2 right hand side multiplication into 2 divided by 3. So cancel, we will be getting 3 power n equal to 81. Listen children, we need to find power n. So you need to equate this term in the power. So 81 is the power of 3. So 81 is the 3 power 4. So 3 power n equal to 3 power 4. Base is equal, so equate the power value. N is equal to 4. So what is the number of terms? Number of terms is n is equal to 4. Is it clear, children? Okay, next come to the 13th question. Find the third term of GP. What we need to find? A3, whose common ratio is 3 and sum of whose first 7 term is 2186. So this question we need to find third term. Okay, common ratio is given is 3. We need to find first 7 terms. Okay, so listen how you find this. It's a GP series, children. What is given? It's a given common ratio is 3. First 7 terms they given 2186. So first 7 term S7 equal to 2186. What is Sn formula? Sn equal to A into R power n minus 1 divided by R minus 1. Now we have ratio value and Sn value. We need to find A value. Okay, how you find A? We need to substitute the formula. Listen, S7 value 2186 equal to A into what is R value? 3. So 3 power n minus 1 divided by 2. Upper 2186 into 2 na 4372 equal to A into 3 power n minus 1. So 4372 equal to A into 3 power n. So 3 power n na what is n here? N is equal to 7. Upper 3 power 7 na 2187 minus 1. Next 2187 minus 1 na 2186. Upper 2186 A equal to 4372. So what is A? A is equal to 2. Now they asked to find the third term. So how will you find the term? Term now you are not supposed to use some formula. You need to use normal nth term formula. What is nth term formula? A equal to A into R power n minus 1. So A3 equal to A into R power n minus 1. Now what is n? A3 equal to A value is 2. R value is 3. So A value 3, R value, sorry children, A value 2, R value is 3. Upper 3 minus 1 are 2. Upper 2 into 3 square 9. 9 2s are 18. So what is the third term? A3 is equal to 18. Okay, listen children, up to this exercise 9.5 over. So remaining sums I given 3 or 4 sums is homework sum. So do the homework sum, remaining sums to do exercise. Listen now, AP and GP is both also same. Okay, the formula and the methods alone will change. At subtraction na division, addition na multiplication, that alone condition alone change. Proceeding method is same. Will you understand children? So up to this AP GP series is over. I mean this 9th chapter entirely over children. If you have any doubt as